guys, and welcome to my channel. I want to thank you for helping me reach this milestone of 500 subscribers. Please stay tuned for more exciting recipes. So today on our menu there is Chinese wok toast chicken noodles. I first tasted Chinese food here in India and I fell in love with it, guys. But later on I discovered that lots of unhealthy ingredients are in it, like monosodium glutamate, which is Ajinomoto also called, and the dalda, which is the hydrogenated vegetable oil. So these two ingredients are used in large quantities, which make the Chinese food very harmful for our body. I mean Chinese food here in India. So I have decided to design my own recipes with the condition they should be as yummy as the restaurant food and even yummier than that. So for this purpose, guys, I have purchased a Chinese wok which I will be using for cooking Chinese food. So how the wok makes the Chinese food special? It's because, so you can see here I have got the wok here. It's because it is made of iron, it is thin. You can easily toast the ingredients in this. They will be crunchy and at the same time they will get toast, and we get this iron flavor which is very specific and unique. And how to take care of this wok, let me tell you that you need to grease it with oil after washing and drying. You need to immediately grease it with oil and keep it aside for the next time you will require it. Before using, of course, wash it thoroughly. Okay, so I also use two very special ingredients to make this preparation very interesting. So please follow me for that. Follow me. So let's start with chicken, guys. I've got here a beautiful chicken breast which I bought from a normal chicken store. A tip for my Indian viewers: when you buy chicken, please ask to give you the breast piece in one piece, not cut into pieces, so it will be easier for you to cut off the fillet from this from the bone. Let's add all the necessary spices to this chicken. So this is Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt to taste, and we will add some corn flour. Not much. And now let's give it a mix. I made this fry pan hot. Now I reduce the gas and I'm adding the oil, that is rice bran oil. So let's fry the chicken pieces. I increase the gas now and I will be frying this for little time because the chicken is cut into very small pieces and it is boneless and it is gonna be ready in no time, guys. So please do not overcook this preparation. If you overcook it, we will get a rubbery texture in our chicken. Since this is a very quick recipe, guys, we will get ready all the ingredients beforehand. So these are the ingredients we will require: lots of garlic, lots of ginger, 1 chili, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 4 small capsicums. Then we have got the chicken which we have fried. For the sauce we will require dark soya sauce, some vinegar, some tomato ketchup and some chili sauce and some sesame seeds. Before starting to shred our vegetables, I have taken a big pot of water to which I have added some salt for our noodles. So now let's put a lid on so it will come to a boil much faster, and let's shred the vegetables. The water came to a boil. Now let's add the noodles. I've got here some egg hakka noodles. I will add 2 packets of these noodles. If you want to break them, you can do it. Otherwise, you can add them whole. So until they boil, let us quickly toss our vegetables, guys. I'm adding some rice bran oil in the hot wok. So don't heat it too much, guys. It will get burnt. So now immediately I will be adding the onions. Fry it till translucent. The onions are being fried on high flame. This wok has a very good handle for support. At this point of time, guys, let us add the remaining vegetables, carrots and the peppers. Continue tossing them on high flame for some time. Our noodles are ready, guys, and our vegetables are cooking on low flame. For now, we have to strain the noodles. If we boil them for longer time, they will become mushy. So let's strain them. I'm washing these noodles, guys, because they will be quite sticky if we don't wash them with cold water. These noodles are not made of same material as spaghetti are, so we need to wash them thoroughly. Our vegetables have been frying on low flame. Now I will be increasing the flame and I will add the remaining ingredients. So let's add the chili. At this point of time, I will be adding the sesame seeds. Don't add them in the beginning, they will start popping a lot. Let's add the sauces, guys. So to avoid the popping of our sesame seeds, I am adding immediately the soya sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons. A little bit of vinegar. I'm using natural vinegar. A little bit of ketchup. So that is 2 tablespoons. I'm adding some chili sauce. You can add Szechuan sauce or whatever sauce you have or you like, in whatever quantity you like. Let's give it a mix. At this point of time, I am adding garlic. I do not like the garlic to be fried. I like the raw flavor of the garlic in this preparation. So I like it with lots of garlic, and it's very good for cold, guys. Adding the ginger, I'm pressing it through the same squeezer presser. Now let's add some water, guys. Just a little bit of water to make it saucier. And the last ingredients we add in this preparation is chicken. Sorry guys, it's not last. We have some more ingredients to add. So give it a good stir and check if the vegetables are done. If not, let them cook for some time on low flame. You don't have to fry these vegetables for long, guys. They have to have a nice crispy bite. Even the carrots. At this point of time, let's add 1 spoon of raw sugar. If you don't have, add normal sugar. And don't forget the salt, but not more salt because soya sauce is already salty. The ketchup is also quite salty. So it's time to add our noodles. The noodles, guys, they are cooled, so they are not sticky, they are washed. And our wok is so big, guys, we can cook in big quantities for our whole family. The last secret ingredient for this preparation is sesame seeds oil. So let's add some. It will give a very special taste to this preparation since we have used sesame seeds and just a little bit of black pepper on the top. And now let's toss these noodles on high flame and give it a nice mix. So it's better to cut these noodles, to break these noodles, so it will be easier to mix them. Toss these noodles, guys, on high flame for some time until it gets nicely mixed up and integrated with the other ingredients. It's ready, guys. It smells delicious, guys, and it looks so tempting. You have to eat it immediately. Don't delay your yummy lunch or dinner, guys. So let's serve it. You liked, guys, my recipe, and you will definitely try it out, and you please let me know if you made it and if you liked it. Apart from that, I will be putting in the description box the link for the Chinese wok. It is very cheap. You can purchase it online from Amazon. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe. And apart from that, you can anytime message me and let me know if you need any ingredients so I can give you the link for the same. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.